example, we can take like GST.
Hmm.
So some sort of GST taxes we are collecting. Means based on like from the company, like taxes will be there, no, like input tax, output tax, whatever the taxes we have, we'll collect it and like based on the company, they'll collect, no, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. So, so we collect the taxes from the customers.
Yes, sir.
Oh, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, great, great. So that tax procedure uh, we will see now how to create that one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
First one, creation of GL account, GL ledger account, input tax and output tax we need to create, slash and FS double zero. Input tax under incomes 3000. Create here incomes input tax account, tax, control data, line item, and short fee. Account create bank or interest. KB 004, enter and save.
Okay.
Next, creation of output tax. Output tax under asset.
Expense. So expense correct? Output tax.
So
Okay.
thanks.
So the screen is freezed or you have done anything? You are doing anything, man?
Now, sir, it is please.
Okay, okay.
Expense, output tax, enter control data. Line item display and short fee. Account create bank or interest. G004, enter and save.
So in the control data, can you click on that one? Control data.
Um,
Okay.
so
So here the reconciliation account for
no,
account
sir.
type. No, no. That one is we are using for this thing, right? Interest calculation.
No, no. Here, this one account type we'll use for only customers and
Oh,
vendors.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay.
So here we need to give tax category and posting without tax allowed. Star means here all types of taxes allowed.
Okay, okay.
I forgot to give.
Hmm.
In input tax also we need to give. Here tax category star and here check posting without tax allowed and save.
Posting without tax allowed means if we are creating the invoice, that specific invoice don't have don't related to tax means that also allowed. So that is the reason we are selecting that one. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Posting it. Okay.
Correct. Note down, sir. Continue.
Yeah, yeah. One. Creating the general creation of
Creation of real account, sir.
okay, GL. The same procedure what we have created for input
Yes,
tax we
sir.
will select it, for say, create input tax under so we need to select important thing is
Tax category.
control data tax category. So that as start and then without tax allowed. Then see. Okay. Yes, yes, ma'am. I got it down.
The next one.
Okay.
Uh, Previously, we have created material expense and sales account.
Yes.
So for that, both we need to give taxes. Like we need to update tax category.
Oh, okay.
We need to
Material and
write
what?
material and sales expense, material expense and sales account.
Material expense is material expense and sales account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Do you have any specific thing we will mention as income tax, sorry, incoming tax and outgoing tax in this kind of categories?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So material and sales we will update here the tax category. Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, I just note it down. Then mm, material expense and sales. To edit and edit text category. Okay. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Noted.
Okay, sir.
No, my you understand my question, right? So here we can select the material expense. We can select material expense and the sales. We can update the tax category. Okay.
Yeah.
So my question is, we have created the GL account for incoming tax and outgoing tax. So in
Okay.
that specific incoming and outgoing tax, up- we will interlinked with any other accounts or GL accounts.
No, sir.
Okay, this is a common one. So maybe in incoming while we creating the invoices, while we booking the invoices for vendor side. Okay, we will booking the invoices.
Okay.
So we have two entries we will do. One is material expense and another one is incoming
Thanks.
tax. Okay, fine, fine.
Uh, okay.
Uh, okay, understood.
So you noted, sir.
Uh,
Continue.
yeah, I noted, man.
Okay.
Both material expense and sales we updated the tax category. Okay.
Next one, define tax accounts. OB40 slash and OB40. So here we need to select VST, double click on VST, that is input tax,
Mm-hmm.
start of accounts, enter. Here check tax code and save. Here simply we can say that we are giving our GL accounts and tax code
Okay.
and give 11. and the GL account, input as GL account, enter and save.
Okay. The tax code 11, the numbers which we will give you anything, right?
Anything we can give, sir. Alphanumeric also we can give,
Okay.
numeric we can give.
Okay.
It
Okay.
is save and back.
Your
In
screen not be okay.
what's sir not visible?
No, no, no. So now it's visible. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, next click on MWS, that is output tax.
Hmm.
Here the tax code and save. Here tax code I'm giving 12 and here account is output tax GL account. Enter and save.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Yeah, yeah, clear, ma'am. So, so we can first we can create the GL account for input and output tax, and then we have aligned that taxes in the this thing. What is that?
Uh, Material and sales account.
Okay.
And then we are doing whatever we have created our GL accounts,
Hmm.
we are assigning to the taxes for output tax and input tax.
Okay. Okay. So before we are create after creating. Okay. After creating only we can use this one. Okay. Okay. Ma'am. Understood.
Not sure any doubt.
No, no, no. So with what is this topic?
Define tax accounts.
Tax account.
Answer.
What's a G this thing? T code?
What's sir?
T
Not
code, T code, man.
OB40.
OB40. Okay, OB40. Here can
Double click on PST.
okay. Double click on VST. VST is already available. Okay.
They're already available, the default ones, sir.
Okay, okay.
Here you can find out like VST, input tax.
Okay, VST
Double
and,
click on this.
and
Here
then
before step, we need to click on, we need to
company code.
tick mark. No, no, we need to give a check mark for tax code. Before this step, we need a tax code.
Okay, we need to check mark the tax code. Okay, okay. Double click
Yeah.
in it and then
So
need.
here you can see, sir, I have given a screenshot here. Here we have to give tax code check mark
Hmm.
and then you get the screen. We need to give any tax code and we need to assign our GL account.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, double click. Okay, and then checkbox. Check. Checkbox. Then uh, after that we'll back.
After after giving check mark, sir,
Hmm.
after giving check mark, click on save.
Okay, save.
Then we'll get this screen. This
Hmm.
one, tax code and account.
Okay, tax code update HR numeric or send account need to select this is input tax to select and save. This is input tax output tax double click on MWS checkbox save and create tax code and tax code and save. Okay. Okay, ma'am. I note it down.
Okay, sir. Next one, tax code for sales and
Purchase.
purchase FTXC. Slash and FTXC. Enter. Country IN. Enter. Here tax code 11 we have created before. Here input tax. Here tax type. V for input tax. Enter. Here, like we need to give percentages. So here I'm giving input tax 10%. Enter and save.
Okay.
So here, one second. Cell, enter, tax code. Output tax. A for output tax, enter. Here output tax I'm giving 11%. So here, if you remember, this one condition type and from level we have given in before steps. Did you remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Calculation procedure we have given. So enter and save. Clear, sir?
Yes, I clear. This is we have updated for defaultly percentage, correct?
It's a
For
percentage.
India, for we are selecting India means it's a common tax percentage. Input tax is a common percentage. Output tax is a common percentage,
Yes,
correct?
sir. Correct.
So sometimes there is some variance happen, right? For example, if we are doing material, like if you are purchasing a pencil, it's a different tax percentage. If you are
It's
purchasing the gold, it's a different tax percentage. Such kind of things where we will update.
the same like so here before we have entered no VST GST.
Mm, mm, mm,
So there only we can check because if we have any percentage, any taxes, we can give the taxes there. And coming here, we can give tax code, whatever the tax code we have created. So that tax code we have to enter here.
mm,
And then here, like here, we need to give our percentages, whatever the percentage we have.
mm, mm, mm.
That percentage we have to enter here and save.
Oh, okay, okay. So even a single percentage we will create and then one day we will update here.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Correct? Okay.
Correct, sir.
Mhm. So we will create the GL account in FS 00 instead of material. So we have created commonly material. Instead of material, we will create maybe like, the stationaries or gold,
Ah,
such kind of things. We will select based on that one. Based on that, we will
update the
tax
taxes.
tax account. We will create the input tax code for stationery means 11 or 12 something we will
Ah, yes, sir.
create. After that we will update here. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Okay, 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 ma'am.
Sir, note down, sir.
Wait, I will note it down. Mm, define define tax code for
Sales and purchases.
sales and purchases. The T code is
FTXP.
FTXP. Okay. Here,
And then country.
the country
This is a tax
code.
code.
What's it? But country after that will update the tax code. Okay.
Tax code.
Okay.
This one, sir.
Update the okay
Country
tax
and give the tax code.
code.
Enter. Oh, okay.
Enter.
So after entering, you need to give like import tax.
Right. Input or output tax. We'll select right input or output tax.
Yes, sir.
Select. Okay. After that, percentage.
Yes, sir. Percentage.
After that, uh, percentage for mm, that's then save. Okay. Okay.
Next, post vendor invoice FD60 slash n FD60. Enter. Here maintain vendor account, invoice date, account. No. So here check tax. Down I'm giving tax, input tax. Here vendor invoice. Here debit I'm selecting material expense.
Hmm.
Here maintain star, enter. So in here we need to here the balance should be 0. Otherwise we are not able to save it. Possibility is only with a 0 balance. Correct the document.
Okay.
So I am removing the amount and maintaining star.
Hmm.
So we can likewise we can check the taxes also. So that's why I'm doing that.
But that while we updating the star, the amount is reflected.
No, sir, in the real time, automatically it will come, but here in the demo session, no, we have to do this.
Okay, that amount is 1,500 is inclusive of tax, correct?
Yes, sir.
So
Correct.
the system will be uh, okay. The system will be provided material expenses how much
Yes,
cost,
sir.
the tax is how much. Okay, 136 rupees. Okay.
Yes, sir. Material expense. I have given 1,500 amount. So in the tax and normal tax,
Hmm.
input tax, it was collected 136 rupees.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
And now save. Sir, you note down, sir.
Wait. No. Calculated tax. Calculated tax. Okay. So in real time material expense, we are not giving the amount. Instead of amount, we will give star. Based on the tax calculate, based on the tax percentage, that amount will be calculated. Correct, no?
Yes, sir. Correct,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay.
Next one, customer invoice,
Hmm.
FD70. We have maintained customer invoice date, amount, tax, check tax code, I'm giving output tax, customer invoice. Here, like I'm doing sales account,
Hmm.
again start, enter. The on 12,000, the tax is calculated 11%. So enter, go to document, simulate, let's see,
Okay. Okay.
11% max it is calculated.
Hmm.
So enter and save. Let's see.
Posting customer invoice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
So that's it about tax procedure.
Okay. So ma'am, here I have a doubt, no? So business area you have mentioned in that document, right?
Yes, sir.
Simulate, double click on the output tax line item, business area, text. What is that?
Like here we'll click on the document now, sir.
Document, simulate. Okay.
Here we'll click on document and simulate.
Okay.
Sometimes it will ask, it will pop up an error like we need to give business area.
Okay.
Business area means simply our company code we need to mention there.
Okay. While we selecting the document and simulate the business area, it will be a show, right?
Ah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So that's it about tax procedure.
Oh, okay.
Continue next one, sir, or tomorrow shall we continue?
What is this? House bank.
House bank.
Okay. Maybe we'll continue by tomorrow, man.
Tomorrow, okay, sir.
Okay. Mm, so today we have covered tax procedure. In that tax procedure, first we will create the
Real
GL account,
accounts.
GL accounts, input tax and output tax. We have created a GL accounts. In the same way, if we have created additional accounts like GST account, we created means in the same way we will create it. Correct?
Correct,
So
sir.
correct. Okay. So in the GST account, it will comes under incoming and outgoing. Both we will create. Correct, ma'am?
Correct, sir.
Okay. Mm. So based on the text, we will identify maybe the GST incoming, GST outgoing account. That kind of things we will give. Correct.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Mm. So once we created this account, so while we creating the account in the FS000, we will do an additional thing like control data. In that control data tab, we can select the tax category. So in that, we can select the tax category, select all, and check the posting without tax
Okay.
allowed. Okay.
Hello. Yes.
So okay, after do creating the sales and material account, income and outgoing, incoming and sorry, input and output
Input
tax,
tax and output tax.
input tax and output tax. After that, we'll create a tax account. So in that tax account, we can use the T code is OB40, where we can see the input tax. We can select and update the tax code. We can update either an alphanumeric and account we have selected that input means input account and output means output account based on we can select it and save it. Why we are selecting this one tax account? It will be based on that tax code we updated. Based on that one, the while we posting the entry, it will capture. Correct, ma'am?
Correct, sir.
Okay. After that, we created the tax code. We can update it in the sales and purchase. Update the company code and update the tax code and enter it. Input or output tax. So after that, post vendor invoice and customer invoice. So vendor invoice, we can posting the vendor invoice. We can check the calculate tax. After check that tax calculated, mm, based on the checked in tax calculated, based on that line item like material line item and the tax amount it will be calculated. If suppose if the invoice is not related to tax means we are not uncheck that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is overall we covered it today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you,
I
sir.
will not. Okay. So, ma'am, can you provide this document to me?
Yes, sir, I'll share.
Okay, okay. Okay, I